Hello, my name is Kerry Cohen and I'm the Regional Executive for Big Ideas Wales. I'd like to tell you a bit about Big Ideas Wales and how we can support your students, in particular the ones who are interested in self-employment and startup. For those of you that haven't been involved with Big Ideas Wales before, well, what is Big Ideas Wales? In a nutshell, it's a Welsh Government youth entrepreneurship programme helping young people between the ages of 5 to 25 to develop an entrepreneurial attitude, to also help them explore their ideas and potentially launch their business. Pre-COVID-19, Big Ideas Wales role models, who are all local entrepreneurs, were delivering face-to-face inspirational workshops, sharing their own entrepreneurial journeys with the aim of inspiring the young students. As well as this, we delivered Explore workshops, enabling the students to explore and develop their own business ideas. This was normally to support the Welsh Baccalaureate's Employability and Enterprise Challenge. We also delivered more sector-specific and vocational workshops for departments such as health and beauty, the creative industries, and travel and tourism. For those that had a real interest in starting a business or who were close to startup, we had much more specific topics such as branding, marketing, and business planning, sometimes called masterclasses. Of course, we are still offering all of these services and workshops, although in the short term they will now be offered digitally. Like all of you, we've all had to develop a new normal. Of course, we are still offering all of these workshops, but in the short term they will be offered digitally. Like all of you, we've all had to adapt quite quickly to new ways of working since lockdown. A new thing that we can offer are pre-recorded videos. These are 20 to 30 minute videos recorded by role models. They can be generic or sector or topic specific, depending on your students' needs. These have been filmed over the summer and will be available to you and your students. You can always ask for any sessions to be recorded specifically for your vocational area and group of students. But please can you give us as much notice as possible, as they take a bit longer to be organised. Another thing that we can offer are live webinars on similar topics. Over the summer, we have been delivering some live webinars for young people that have got an interest in business or have already started a business. They have been focusing on key areas of business support, such as business planning, marketing, how to sell anywhere, financial planning, branding, and developing your idea. At the moment, sector-specific webinars are taking place, such as how to run a retail business, how to run a social care business, how to run a creative business, to name a few. And these are open to all young people. For the young people who want that specialist and individual advice, we do have a Big Ideas Wales business advisor who will offer one-to-one support. But due to the circumstances at the moment, this support will only be remotely. So this will be through Zoom or Microsoft Teams, email or phone. And I will include the details of the business advisor at the end of this film. Also, for young people who are close to startup and need that in-depth expertise input to take their business forward, we do have a 2-day bootcamp. However, due to the circumstances, this year will be held virtually. If I can ask yourselves and your students to keep an eye out on all our social media channels and our website for further details, please. I will include all these details at the end of the film. Another thing that we were delighted to work on over the summer was supporting the Summer Startup Week with the Enterprise Champion Network across Wales. We had role models deliver live webinars on various topics during the week, and we do really look forward to working with them again soon. So just to recap quickly, what we would have delivered previously, we can still do it, but of course it will be digitally. As we move forward to the new normal, we'll be adopting a more blended approach. So this can be a mix of face-to-face where possible, and of course we'll carry on with our digital provision. I've already mentioned the Big Ideas Wales role models who are an essential part of the project. And we have approximately 400 role models and young ambassadors who are entrepreneurs from across Wales. We have Welsh speakers, English speakers, freelancers to big companies. From all kinds of sectors, they all bring their own expertise and experience to the project. All their individual profiles can be found on the Big Ideas Wales website. So as well as the role models and young ambassadors profiles, on the website, the Big Ideas Wales website, it's a wonderful resource for yourselves and the students. For you as a tutor, there's the partners area, where there is plenty of learning resources, videos, research papers, as well as links to other partners who are working to support youth entrepreneurship in Wales. For the young people, there are online tools such as the Enterprise Catalyst, profiles, podcasts and videos and blogs from role models and young ambassadors. There's business fact sheets and much, much more. So can I ask you to please signpost your students to the website, encourage them to sign up. They can then access a downloadable resource, which is a Be Your Own Boss booklet. They can also access the Simply Do, which is an online platform to build their business plan. They can also access monthly newsletters and any details of upcoming events, which I've already mentioned before, which are bootcamp and the webinars, etc. So just to summarise at the end of this film now, Big Ideas Wales is here to support you as well as your students. And as we all adjust to the new normal, I really want to emphasise that we are open to any suggestions, ideas, requests that you may have, and we will try our best to meet your and your students' needs. We will work closely with EC in planning this provision. So please do not hesitate to contact me. My details will be on the screen at the end of this recording, and I really do look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you very much for your time. Diolch yn fawr.